All right, the drink we're about to make is called Atta Boy. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass. Go and put some water and ice in the glass. Let it sit while you're making your drink. That'll get it nice and chilled by the time you are finished. All right, fill up your mixing glass and measure out 1.5 ounces of gin. And follow that up with 3/4 of an ounce of dry vermouth. All right, grab your shaker, give it a good shake. Get everything very cold since we're serving it without ice. And dump out your ice water from your martini glass. And strain your cocktail. There you go. And that's it. Bottoms up.